Leingakna Petrol Amadi Dieselda Louba tax Hanthahankhibada Pigani Hanthahankhibada MP Sanajaobana Thagatpa Fongdokhre MALEM PUMBAGI OINA Petrol Amadi Dieselgi MAMAL HENGATLABASU INDIAGI MIYAMDADI THAO MAMAL HENGATPAGI CHEITHEng NANGHANDANABA LEINGAKNA MATAM CHANA FUELGI EXCISE DUTYSING HANTHAHANKHIBAGIDAMAK RAJYA SABHAGI MP NINGTHOU SANAJAOBA LEISEMBANA Prime Minister NARENDRA MODINA LUCHIंगBA Leingakpu Thagatpa Fongdokhre ngasi Fongkiba Parliament Mifamgi 0 hour ki matamda MP NINGTHOU SANAJAOBA LEISEMBANA PM MODINA LUCHIंगBA Leingakpu Thagatpa Fongdokladuna hai Malengi oina thaugi mamal hengatpagi khudong chadaba mayoknari India government na leibagasi miyamgi khanbiduna Petrol Amadi Dieselgi excise duty sing Hanthahankhibada achetpa warep lauduna petrol duty liter amada lupa 12 dagi lupa 3 amadi diesel duty dana lupa 10 dagina 0 da hanthahanle West Asia da tholiba Iran kankhalakuna hena fibam sokchilakli loinana thaugi mamal khanghen hengalaktuna Hana barrel amada lupa humdra oirambadagi lupa chamaga kungani thoiromda hengatuna malem pumbagi oina thau mamal hengatpagi chaitheng nangli Southeast Asia da leiriba leibak singda chada kuntra dagina yangkhai da hengalakli North America gi oina chawrakna chada kuntra Europe kina chada kun amadi Africa kina chada yangkhai rom hengatli Hariba khudong chadaba singasi mayoknadaba leibagasi India khaktani haiki MP NINGTHOU SANAJAOBANA makhatana hai malem pumbat tamba ngamdaba fiba mayoknari adubu MODINA LUCHIंगBA Leingakasina leibagasi miyamda yariba makai sel thungi awaba pidanaba Leingakasina pumnamak thengyanaba thorang sing paikadi khongthang asina all companies singna thengnagadaba sel thungi oiba achoba polumadu Hanthahankhibada natana micham miyamna ahenba sel charging tawbagi awaba thengnahandanaba thabak paikali Leingakta yamlaba senfam lakcharabasu MODINA LUCHIंगBA Leingakasinadi miyamgi yaifanabagidamakta pumnamak tungoinana thamle miyamgi yaifanaba thabak paikhatpa haibasida maruoiba miyeng thamli Russia amadi Ukraine leibagani gi marakta conflict thokpa horakhiba matam adudagi hauna malem pumbagi oina thaugi mamal hengatlabasu India government leibagasi miyamdadi thaugi mamal hengatpagi chaitheng nanghandanaba lepa leitana honaduna lakli India ki miyamda thaugi awaba mayokna handanaba export duty amuhanna impose chawri diesel gi ona liter amada lupa 12.5 amadi aviation turbine fuel dana liter amada lupa 18.5 export duty impose chawri export tawbagi profit hanthahanduna yariba makai leibagasi miyamda thaugi mamal hengatpagi awaba thengna handanaba thorang sing lokhali MODINA LUCHIंगBA Leingakasina matam chana lawrakliba waribasina leibagasi economy stable oina thamduna miyamgi yaifanaba miyeng thamli tasengnamak Leingakna lokhalakliba khongthang asi India gi citizen crore chamaga nifu gi damakta achoba relief amani Leingakki khudong chagadaba political gi kananaba fangnaba honabagi mahota leibagasi miyamgi yaifanaba lokhatkiba waribni malem pumbagi oina tangduleitadaba fibam mayoknaringai manungasida Prime Minister Narendra Modina LUCHIंगBA government asina matam chana leibagasi miyamgi yaifanaba warib laukiba amadi malengi oiba situation asida leibagasi miyamgi damakta leptuna thabak tawriba asigi damakta upper house asina PM Modi amadi mahaki government asibu thagatfam thoi haiki
Subject is need to compliment the government for the significant reduction in fuel excise duty amidst the West Asia conflict. Sir, I rise to show gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and his government for the bold decision to shield its citizens from rising global fuel price by sharply reducing excise duties on petrol from rupees 13 to rupees 3 per litre and diesel from rupees 10 to 0 or nil per litre. Amid escalating tensions in the West Asia and steep surge in crude oil prices from around $70 per barrel to nearly $122 per barrel in just a month, fuel prices have risen across the world. Fuel price hikes in Southeast Asia countries is 30 to 50%, North America around 30%, Europe about 20%, and Africa close to 50%. Only India stands out as a real exception. Faced with this global volatility, the Modi government chose to absorb the financial burden rather than pass it on to the citizen. This move not only reduced pressure on oil companies but also ensure that there is effectively no additional burden on the common man. Despite significant revenue implications, the government has prioritized public welfare, continuing its consistent approach since the Russia-Ukraine conflict began by insulating citizens from global from global price shocks. Additional export duties have been imposed rupees 21.5 per litre on diesel and rupees 29.5 per litre on ATF to ensure adequate domestic availability and prevent undue profiteering amid high international prices. This timely and bold decision of Modi government reflects a clear commitment to economic stability and citizen welfare in challenging global circumstances. Really, it is a big relief for the 140 crore citizens of India. I therefore urge all the honorable members of this upper house to show our gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and his government for this bold and citizen-centric decision, and let us stand unitedly during this critical global crisis. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity.